This is how my day usually starts. Waking up the girls in Aubrey's room because they both sleep in Aubrey's room for some reason. I don't even know why Ansley has a bed. Aubrey is usually the first to get up. She's really good about getting up. Ansley's a sleepyhead. Aubrey sometimes gets up before I even get a chance to come in here and wake them up. So we got this sleepyhead over here. Hey Ansley, you ready to wake up? Okay, so I'm situated. Alex just left to take the girls to school. Usually we switch off. One day I'll take them, one day he takes them, just so we can get some rest. We both like our sleep. Today he is actually probably gonna stay up after he gets back because I've said like so many times, but DirecTV's coming because our TV keeps doing this like signal finding thing, and it's starting to get on his nerves finally. I don't watch much TV, but he does. So they're gonna come out today. I'm gonna try to get some other stuff done, like go to Target maybe. Yesterday I did absolutely nothing but lay in the bed. My anxiety got the best of me, and that's just where I was at, but it felt really nice to not do anything. So today I am gonna try to go to Target and get a few things done. Maybe stop by Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna try to take a little nap first right now before I go. So I'll sleep for a couple hours, go to Target, Hobby Lobby, wherever else I end up. Get me some coffee, of course, and then I will come back and pick up the girls for school. From school, not for school. And then we'll see where the rest of the day takes me. So basically, I didn't plan on waking up this early and going to Target, but I got a pleasant surprise at my doorstep this morning from Mandy and Terri from YouTube. I will leave their channels linked down below, but if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram down below, and then you can follow them on Instagram as well. We have a whole story for you guys. They played a little trick on me and schemed something up. I was having a really bad day yesterday. For those of you who know me, know that I have really bad anxiety, and it was just one of those days for me. And they made my day so much better. Let me show you what they left on my doorstep. Mandy rang the doorbell and ran away. There is footage. You have to go to my Instagram to watch it. And you have to go like now because it probably only say 24 hours. I'm gonna try to get this vlog up tonight. But this is the bag that was at my doorstep when nobody was there. They left me a card. I may read you the card if Mandy and Terri say that it's okay for me to do so. They left me a bag of Doritos because they know I love Doritos. A magazine. They know I love my magazines. And I can hardly see. That's why I'm like looking all over the place. My glasses are somewhere in this house. They got me some of my favorite cold brew coffee. See, I already have some in the fridge. I'm telling you, these girls know me. We've been friends for like literally just this year, and they know me so well. They're some of my best friends. And then orange juice with no pulp. I mean, that's how well they know me. I don't like pulp in my orange juice. And then also, let's go in the bedroom and I'll show you what else. So they also picked me up these pajama pants, which are so soft. I am so excited to try these on. I think they're from Walmart, so if you are looking for a very comfy pair, you can probably get them there. But oh my gosh, so soft. Thank you girls so much. I love y'all to the moon and back. I have some of the best friends because of YouTube, and I'm so happy for that. That is so funny. Oh. So now I'm getting ready to go to Target in a shirt that I bought from Target. And I'm gonna film with my iPhone today because I just find it so much easier. I'm gonna straighten my hair just a little bit because it's looking pretty janky. And then we are going to head out.
the door, I'm on the way.
Alright, so I just got my favorite place, Target. I'm gonna go on in and get me some coffee. I wish it was Dunkin' Donuts because, I don't know, I just love Dunkin' Donuts coffee more, I guess. I don't know. I just haven't found my perfect Starbucks coffee, I guess you could say. But I'm gonna go grab me some coffee and then I'm just gonna walk around and shop and have no intention of buying anything unless, you know, it's Target. So you never know what's gonna happen, but let's go. So I got the goods. I went with the trusty caramel frappuccino because you can never go wrong. I just haven't found the coffee that I love from Starbucks yet. So I got that and I'm just gonna check out the dollar spot real quick. It looks like there's mostly Halloween stuff, but I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I'm finding. I feel like Target is super empty today, which is good, but I feel like there's a lot of racket going on, so sorry about that. So cute. I don't know what I would use them for, but I like them. They have plenty of the little pumpkin-shaped succulents left. I really don't need any more, but they're so cute and so tempting. See, I told you there's a lot of noise going on. Cute little wreaths. I really like this. I actually might get this because that would look good when it gets closer to Thanksgiving or even now. I like that too. The neutral colors. They have these really cute pumpkins. That would look really cute in my office, but I don't really decorate my office for fall. Another banner. These cute little houses. These are cute. The kids could really use these. So I guess this is like the DIY section in the dollar spot. They have all these cute little things you can do. Some tea lights right here. The men's bathroom right there. That's why you heard the toilet flush. These are cute, but I do not do DIYs because I suck. Maybe one day that will change. But those are cute. They've got some scrapbook paper. Ooh, what are these? Look like nice coffee cups to me. These are new. I feel like this vlog is going to be so long because I'm still in the dollar spot, but they have so much cute new stuff that I haven't seen yet. So I found the cute trucks I've been looking for. They've got the blue and the green. I think I'm going to get one for Christmas though, since I've already decorated for fall, but I don't know if I need to get one or two. Y'all, if I had a little boy, he would definitely have these hoodies. This is like not in the kids section, but oh my gosh, how cute are these? This is seriously the section that gets me every time. Target has the cutest sunglasses. Like seriously, look. I would probably wear every single one of these. Except for these. I don't know if I would wear these, but the rest of them, yes. Hello. See, they get me every time. Look at these. These are so cute. Do I need them? No. Am I gonna get them? No, actually, I'm not. Ooh, these are cute, but what do I wear these pink ones with? I really like these right here too. Let's try them on. 1 second, please. People all over the store think I'm talking to myself. Well, I am, but I'm talking to you guys too, so. I like these too. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if you're looking for sunglasses, make your way to Target. Look at these rain jackets. I'm really digging it. I'm about to try it on for y'all. Hold on 1 second. So, this is actually an extra large in their A New Day brand, but I don't think I like it, honestly. It doesn't, it's just not flattering on me. Nah, not getting it.
I'm never just trying to make you understand my ice and hands, but you don't even hear my call. And you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Say you want me. Say you want me bad.
I want one of these caboodles too, but I'm definitely gonna get not one of the girls, both of the girls, each one for Christmas. I'll probably order it online, but I want the like orangish one for myself, not this one, but there's like a plain orange one. That's the one I want, but this blue is pretty too, so I don't know. It's very tempting. Y'all, they literally have glow-in-the-dark Kit Kats and Reese's. Seriously? I think I'm gonna buy some of these for Alex. Y'all know that crazy girl that came in and rang my doorbell this morning? Or that sweet girl, I should say. Hi, Mandy in the making. She's right there. We actually met up and had lunch afterwards, same day. So that's what we just did. We had some Japanese, and now I'm going to pick up the girls at school and get on with my busy day. So now I am sitting in the school line that every mom loves to sit in, right? I hope the girls had a good day at school. So I have the girls, just picked the girls up from school. There's Aubrey trying to run away from the camera, because that's her, and there's Ainsley trying to get in the camera. They are complete opposites, but I'm about to go in the house and get some stuff done, and yeah, that's about it. So this day just keeps getting more interesting and more better as the day goes. There was an envelope, but I took it out because I had my address on it. But oh my gosh, who are these from? Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. These girls are seriously the absolute best. Now we're just outside playing. I told them that they could play a little bit. Hey now, come down from the road. I told them they could play a little bit before they did their homework. That never happened, so they were pretty excited. You like your scooter?
Yeah.
You like your scooter, Miss Chris?
Kind of.
Kind of.
It's old.
While the girls are having a little snack and finishing up their homework, I'm going to show y'all what I got from Target. So I picked up these little trucks. I mentioned those when I was in there. You probably remember. I'm going to use these for Christmas decorations this year. I just love those. And then I got this shirt. It's a Pink Floyd shirt. Let me see. It's just a plain old t-shirt. I love plain stuff. Oh wow, about to break something over here. And then here's the, well, not yet. I got this banner. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put this on our fireplace. And then I got these gummy eyeballs, just because I thought the girls would think they were cool. And I also got some candy corn flavored marshmallows. And if you know me at all, you know that I love candy corn. And also I got this little lippy color by NYX, is in the color Smoke Me. I've never tried it, but it looks like something I like. I like nudie purplish tints, so I'm gonna give it a try. So the doorbell just rang, and it was UPS, and it was a package from Grove. How thoughtful. This is their new gel hand soap and gel dish soap. And they wanted us to be the first to try it, so that's really cool. And then these are the glass bottles. It's so exciting. Let me see if I can take one out and show you. So there's one for the dish soap and one for the hand soap. I love these little glass jars. So I'm in my messy room right now. You can see all my messy stuff over there, which, YOLO. I'm about to film a video. Very unprofessional setup. I have this. That's my camera. I told y'all I was filming with my phone today. Just a ring light, my straightener. I opened up the window for some natural light. So I'm back in action. Just filmed my video. Look how much better that light is than like normal lighting. Have some makeup on now. This video will probably go up after the one I just filmed, but just got done filming that. Now I'm gonna go cook the girls some dinner. So it is dinner time and I'm gonna make some of these fries really quick. These are my girls' absolute favorite fries. They say that they taste just like McDonald's fries, and I think it's only because I'm using the air fryer. And honestly, I love this air fryer. I've done videos with New Air before, and they recently partnered with Magic Chef, and I am loving the analog one. I'll show you how it works, but I have a discount code for you guys I'll tell you about in a minute. But you definitely need to try these fries with it. I actually got these from Walmart, and they taste exactly like McDonald's fries. There you go. If you can hear it through the video, it's on. I usually like to take mine and just like come halfway through and shake it to make sure it's getting cooked evenly. But I'm telling you, this is like the best thing ever. When me and Alex first met, he was using oil to cook his fries, and now ever since we've had the air fryer, he is loving it. And I think I said this was analog, but it's actually digital, obviously. But you can use code Carla for 20% off. I'll leave a link down in the description box. But I'm telling you guys, this thing is awesome. Before dinner, I wanted to try on the shirt I got at Target today. I'm actually kind of digging it. I was scared what size I got to get. I got a large, and I was afraid I needed an extra large, but the large fits good. It's long enough, which is mainly what I was worried about. So I like it. So here comes the fun part of being a YouTuber. I love editing videos. It's my favorite part. I love it over filming and everything. So that's what I'm about to start doing right now. Anyway, the video I'm about to edit is just a sit down video, so it shouldn't take long to edit, but that's what I'm about to do.